Hello. Hello. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Uh, Today, we are going to start a new chapter of class 10. Okay. Problems on quadratic equations. Okay. And one thing, we'll try to finish this chapter, that is problems on quadratic equation, within 3 or 4 sessions. Okay. I'll try. Okay. There are separate kinds of word problems I categorized already. I'm showing here. See, problems based on problems on numbers, times and distance, upstream and downstream, on ages, okay, time and work, mensuration, geometrical figures, and some others. So all these category I will try to complete on problems on quadratic equation, right? So let us start one by one. Yes, main steps, that is how we'll solve the problems. Okay, already we know how to solve the quadratic equations by using middle term method. Okay, so already we know. So by using middle term method, after figuring the problems, we can solve. But how do you figure the problems? Into middle term methods. These are the steps. First we will follow one by one. That is, first we have to read the problems or given story carefully, right? That is what is the story and what we have to find, right? Find the unknown quantity. That is what to find. Then step number 3, assume the unknowns quantity as x, y, z, whatever be by small alphabets, algebraic numbers. We will assume the unknowns, right? And translate the given statement story into the form of quadratic equation. This is important. And last, solve for x. That is, you have to find the values or value of x. Okay, these steps we have to follow for each problem. Okay, take one problem. First category, I show that is the on numbers. All problems will be on numbers. And today in this session I will try to finish the problems on numbers, to explain on numbers and distance, time and distance. Okay, this is the first problem. What is the problem? First you read carefully. The difference of two natural numbers is 7. The difference of two natural numbers is 7 and their product is 450. You have to find the numbers. This is a very simple problem. Okay, it is a very simple one. First, we'll read, okay, carefully. Then what to find? Then we have to convert the story into algebraic expression, that is quadratic form. Then we will solve the unknowns. Okay, so first, that is what is given story, difference of two natural numbers. Two natural numbers. Natural numbers starts from 1. That is, if you consider the two natural numbers x and y, say two algebraic numbers. Okay, and the difference is 7. Say x is greater than y. X is greater than y. Okay. Difference is 7. That means x minus y is equal to 7. Right? And the product is 450. That is x into y is equal to 450. Is not it? See, these are the two natural numbers according to the given statement story. Two natural numbers, and assume that x is greater than y. And the difference is 7. Since x is greater than y, the difference of course will be positive. Understood? And the product is given 450. These two conditions we got. Say it is number 1 and this is the number 2. Right? Now solve these two. And but these are showing linear form, is not it? Linear form, but it is power is 2, highest power is 2, x and y. Say now we have to convert by combining these two equations into a quadratic equation. How will you convert? Say, see here, from 1, x is equal to what? 7 plus y, is not it? X is equal to 7 plus y. Now from 2, what you are getting? X 7 plus y into y is equal to 450. Right? This implies 7y plus y square minus 450 is equal to 0. Isn't it? This implies y square plus 7y minus 450 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Understood? We converted the story into the quadratic form of a single variable y. Though he assumed two variables, but he converted into a single variable. Now you are to solve this quadratic equation. These are the steps. Okay, solve. That is by which method you have to solve? By using middle term method, right? So how you solve? Okay, come here. You have to bring 7 by factorizing 450. See, okay, 450. How will you bring 7? Factorize 450. 450. That is divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 5. Okay. Then again by 5. Okay. Right. Now you have to bring 7, the middle coefficients. How will you bring 7? See here. By combination, you have to check. See, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 and 18. Is it? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Right? That is 7 you got. So what you will write here? Y square plus, in place of 7 you will write what? 25 minus 18 minus 450. You have to do carefully. Okay. Now see, y square equals to, sorry, y square plus multiply 25y minus 18y minus 450 equals to 0. This implies take common y plus 25 minus 18, you take common, y plus 25 is equal to 0. Understood? Y plus 25, y minus 18 equals to 0. Either y is equal to minus 25 or y is equal to what? 18. These two values you got. But the thing is that, see, according to the question, the numbers are natural numbers. So y cannot be what? Negative. Since y is also natural numbers. Okay? Y is also a natural number. So natural number cannot be negative. So we will accept this one. Understood? Y is equal to 18. If y is equal to 18, what is x? What is x? 7 plus 18. 25. Isn't it? 25. That is, one number is 18 and the number is 25. These are the answers. So, which option? Answer is given 18 and 25. Option A. So, answer will be A. A is correct. Understood? Go to the next one. Find two consecutive natural numbers. Again, natural numbers. That is, the numbers cannot be negative. And 0. Understood? 0 is not a natural number. It is a whole number. Is it? Find two consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive means one after another. The sum of those squares is 145. Okay. See, if you consider the consecutive natural numbers, say one is x, so what will be the next one? X plus 1. If x, then next one x plus 1. The sum of their squares is 145. Isn't it? It is given 145. Yes, 145. Right? So, this is the formation of the story into one unknown. Okay, here I consider one unknown only, that is x. Now you have to simplify this one. How will you simplify? X square plus a plus whole square, x square plus 2ycb plus b square is equal to 145, right? This implies 2x square plus 2x minus 144. Understood? See, x square club here, 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 145, that is 144. Divided by 2, that is x square plus x minus 72. Okay, now you have to solve by using what? Middle term method. You have to bring the coefficient 1. Right? So factorize 72. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay. Again factorize by 2, 18. Again by 2, 9, 3, 3. Now group 8 and 9. Okay. We're doing here. That means x square plus, you will write what? 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 into x minus 72 equals to 0. You have to solve this one. that is x square plus 9x minus 8x minus 17 equal to 0, right? Take common x plus 9 minus take common 8, x plus 9 is equal to 0. Understood? X plus 9, x minus 8 equals to 0. Okay? Either x is equal to minus 9 or x equal to 8. But since x is what? A natural number. Okay, x is a natural number. So, it is not acceptable. Correct? Therefore, one natural number is 8. Another one was what? X plus 1. That means 9. So, 8 and 9. Which option? Check the answer. Option number A. Option number A is correct. Understood? Clear? Next one. Find two consecutive multiples of 3. Find two consecutive multiples of 3 whose product is 270. Okay? How will you do it? Find two consecutive multiples of 3 whose product is 270. Right? Okay, I am erasing. And you see the problems again. How will you do? Two consecutive multiples. Okay? That is, if one is x, another will be x plus 3. Is not it? Consecutive multiples of 3 whose product is 270. Whose product is 270. Okay? Consecutive multiples of 3. That means if one number is 3, another number will be what? 6. Then another number will be what? 9. That is, if it is x equal to 3, another number will be what? 3 plus 3, 6. This is a consecutive multiples of 3. Understood? And their product is 270. Correct? Now simplify. That is x square plus 3x minus 270 equal to 0. Now, you have to find the value of x. That is, you have to bring 3 by factorizing 270. Okay? That is, factorize 270. Have I done any mistake? Okay? Now you have to bring 3. Check. Uh, 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18 and 15. Is it? 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 18 and 15. Understood? So, what you will write? X square plus in place of 3 you will write 18 minus 15 into x minus 270 is equal to 0. Understood? This implies x square plus 18x minus 15x minus 270 is equal to 0. Okay. This implies take common x plus 18. Correct? Minus take common 15 x plus 18 is equal to 0. Now take common x plus 18 into x minus 15. Okay. Either x equal to what? Minus 18 or x equal to 15. But consecutive multiples of 3. That means multiples may be negative, may be positive. Understood? It's not natural number. Factors may be positive, may be negative. Multiples like that may be positive, may be negative. But in general, we consider the multiples are positive. Okay. So neglecting the negative part, consider 15. That means two consecutive multiples of 3. If one is 15, another will be what? If x equal to 15, another will be 18. These two. So answer 15 and 18. Understood? 15 and 18. Option B. Answer is option B. Okay? Problem number 4. The product of two consecutive natural numbers which are multiple of 3 is equal to 810. Okay. First you read the problem carefully. The numbers, actually all numbers are multiple of 3. Here all numbers are multiple of 3 and you have to find the consecutive two multiples of 3. Two consecutive multiples of 3. Okay. So any number multiple of 3 you can write 3x. So next number will be what? 3x plus 3 and their product is given 810. 810, yes, product is given 810. This is a factorization. Any multiple of 3 you can consider 3x. Say x equal to 1 you are getting 3, x equal to 2 you are getting 6. Okay, the consecutive means after that again 3x plus 3. Their product it is given 110. Understood? See the problem again, that is the product of two consecutive natural numbers. Here it is given natural numbers. The multiples cannot be negative. Okay, which are multiple of 3, that is 3, 6, like this. Okay, now you have to solve. This implies, so you do one thing, take common 3, there are 3 3s are 9, x into x plus 1 is equal to 810. Okay, divide by 9, that means x into x plus 1 is equal to 90. Is it? Divide both sides by 9. Now x square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. You have to bring 1. Or 90, 9 into 10. 9 into 10. This implies x square plus 10 minus 9 into x minus 90 equal to 0. This implies x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 equal to 0. This implies x plus 10 minus 9, take common, again x plus 10, we check 0. That is x plus 10 into what? X minus 9 equals to 0. Either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. Okay. Now, if this equal to 0, you are getting what? X equal to minus 10. If this equal to 0, you are getting what? X equal to 9. But all multiples are what? Natural numbers. That means positive. So this cannot be accepted. Right? It cannot acceptable. So x is 9. So what are the multiples? If x is 9, then so 3x will be what? 27. One number. Another one, 27 plus 3. That means what? 30. Okay. These are two multiples of 3. Understood? (30 and 27). 30 and 27. Which number? B. The answer is B. Okay. Clear? Answer is B. Next one. Divide 16. These problems, just I am forming the equations, you will solve. Okay. And you will find the answer which are in the options. Okay. Divide 16 into 2 parts so that twice the square of largest part is 164 more than the square of the smallest part. Okay. Read the problem again. Read the problem again. I am writing the equation. First, let me few seconds in using the board. Right? Okay. I finished. Divide 16 in 2 parts. That means, say one part is x, another part is what? 16 minus x. Okay. 16 minus x. Say 16 is the smaller part. Twice the square of, okay, consider x is the largest part, it will be easier. Twice the square of the largest part, twice the square of the, if you consider x is larger and 16 minus x is smaller, the twice the square of the largest part is equal to largest part is 164 more. Is 164 more than the square of the smallest part. See, 16 if you divide in two parts, that is if one number is x, then next part will be what? 16 minus x. 16 minus x, okay? 16 minus x. And if it is the largest part, then twice the square of the largest part is 164 more. So we have to add 164 in the second part, smallest part. Then you can form the equation, equal sign, right? Both are square. Now simplify this one. 2x square minus 16 minus x whole square minus 164 equals to 0. Understood? This implies 2x square minus 16 square. 16 square equal to what? 16 square equal to what? Is it? Right within bracket. Okay. Two 56 minus twice a b. Is it? Twice a b plus x square minus 164 is equal to 0. This is equal to 2x square minus 256 plus 32x minus x square minus 164 equal to 0. This implies 2x square minus x square, that means x square plus 32x. Okay. Then you have to add both. Minus 6 plus 4, 0, there is 10, carry 1, 12, 4 is equal to 0. Is it? Check again. 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, 12, carry 1, 4. Right. Now you have to solve this equation. Solve this equation, you will get x, then will take positive sign and 16 minus x. Okay, you will find the answer and you will reply me. Onurupa, yes, good evening. You will complete this one, this equation, and you will find the answer and confirm me. (42 into 10). Yes, 42 into 10. That is 42 minus 10. You will get 32. Is it? Then factorize and tell me the answer. You will do. You will complete. Okay? I will not do. I am going to the next one. The answer is given A, B, C, none of this. The answer you will get within A, B and C. Okay? Next one. Yes, it is important. Just I am explaining. First, let me explain a 2 digits number. First, let me explain what is 2 digits number. 2 digits number means 82. This is a 2 digits number. 23, all are 2 digits numbers. Okay, right? 54, all are 2 digits number. Clear? Okay. Now, can you write 82 in expanded form in this way? That means 80 plus 2. That means what? 20 plus 3. That means here 50 plus 4. This way we can express, right? Now 80 plus 2 means what? 8 into 10 plus 2 into 1, right? Can you write? That means 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1, here 5 into 10 plus 4 into 1. This way you can write. Clear? So any algebraic number, say xy, don't assume x into y like this. 54 means not 5 into 4. 23 means not 2 into 3 like this. It is a number, algebraic number, xy. You can write this way, but x not take as x into y product. Okay, any number that means 10x plus y like this. Is that it? So if you reverse, that is yx, you can write 10y plus x this way. Correct? Any 3 digits number, say x, y, z, how will you write? 100x plus 10y plus z this way. You can write. We'll remember this technique. Now come to the problem again. Product of 2 digits of a positive 2 digit number is 35. Okay, so 2 digits number, writing first, let me erase. Where is the board? Two digits number, say xy. Okay, that is 10x plus y, right? Digits are algebraic digits, x and y. Product of 2 digits of a positive 2 digits number is 35. That is x into y is equal to 35. Okay, if 18 is added to the number, then the digits are reversed. See, I wrote. Let that 2 digits number, any 2 digits number in this form, xy, that is 10x plus y. Correct? According to the question, the product of the digits x into y is 35. And if you add 18 with this number, this is the x into y, but this is the number, this one. Okay, 18, then the digits are reversed. Okay, that means you can write xy, that means 10x plus y, right? Plus 18 is equal to 10y plus x. Understood? This implies bring it, that is 9x minus 9y is equal to minus 18. That means x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is another equation. It's equation number 2. Understood now? Anurupas are done. Yes, sir. Which option it was? Which option it was? Answer 57. Correct. Answer is 57. Is it? Yes, option A. Very good. Okay, just you solve. How will you solve? This implies, say, y is equal to what? X plus 2. Is it? Y is equal to x plus 2. Give it number 3. Say. Now put the value of y here. That means x into y, x plus 2 is equal to 35. Now x square plus 2x minus 35 equals to 0. This implies what? You have to bring 2. X square plus 7 minus 5. Is it? 5 sevens are 35 into x 35 equals to 0. This implies x square plus 7x minus 5x 35 equals to 0. This take common x plus 7 minus take common 5 minus 5 x plus 7 equals to 0. This implies x plus 7 x minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, either x equal to minus 7 or x equal to 5, but neglecting the negative below, consider the positive one. X equal to, because the number is positive already given, x equal to 5. So if x equal to 5, what is y? X equal to 5, y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7. What is the number? X equal to 5, 57. 57 or 75? Answer is coming 57. Have I done any wrong? Mistake? Oh, answer is 57. Onurupa, answer is 57. I think you have done a mistake. Okay. Okay, answer is 57. So x is 5, y is 7. Okay. Next problem. Similar pattern. A 2-digit number contains the smaller of the two in the units place. Only the criterion is the smaller digits, that is, I am explaining, smaller digits, that is, so 57. No, the number will not be like this. The number will not be like this 57. The smaller, say 75, yes. Smaller number will be in unit place. Say 31, yes, correct. But 13, no, it is not correct. Okay, the number will be like this. That is, for 2 digits number, the smaller digit will lie in the units place. Understood? This is the condition. The smaller of the digits in units place. The product of the digits is 40 and the difference between the digits is 3. Find the number. Same as just like this. Okay, you will complete. Onurupa, complete it and tell me the answer. Okay, I am going to the next one. Yes, read the problem carefully. Read this problem carefully. Okay, 9,000 are divided equally among a certain number of persons. Certain number of persons. Okay, the amount 9,000 rupees 9,000 is divided into a certain number of persons. Understood what to find? Certain number of persons. That is number of persons you have to find. Okay. Read again. Had there been 20 more, that is, if number of the persons be increased by 20 number, each would have got rupees 160 less. Oh, it's the loss, isn't it? Find the original number of persons. Yes, number of persons you have to find. Read this problem 2 times, 3 times at least. Okay, 9,000 rupees 9,000 you have to divide. Okay, the rupees 9,000, let the number of persons be, what? Unknown, x. Okay, x. So by number of persons divide the 9,000. This is the amount each member will get. Say there is 100 rupees and number of persons is what? Number of persons is say 4. So each will get how much? 25. That is, you to divide the rupees 100 by number of persons. Okay, you have to divide the amount by number of persons. We do not know the number of persons. That is by assuming x is the number of persons, divide by this is the amount each will get. Okay. Later on, how many persons came? How many persons came? 20 more persons. So number of persons will more. That is x plus 20. Then each have got rupees 160 less. Each have got rupees 160 less. That is, again, the second case, number of persons increased by 20. Amount is remaining same, isn't it? Amount is remaining same. Okay. Now, which fraction is more? This one greater or this one is greater? Of course, this one is greater, isn't it? So you will subtract from this to this, and the less number, that what? 160. This is the equation formed. Understood? This was the first case when number of person was x. When number of person added 20 more, then the divisor will increase. Then the fraction, the value will decrease. Understood? The value decrease. That is, which one is? See here carefully. Say 1 by 3 is more or 1 by 4 is more. Which one? 1 by 3 or 1 by 4? 1 by 3 is more. 1 by 4 is lesser. Understood? You take reverse, that means 3 is lesser 4. Understood? So this is the reason. This is greater, this is lesser. And the difference, that is less amount each will get. This is the difference. Now you have to solve this one. How will you solve? How you will solve? Okay. Divide both side by 10. Divide both side by 10. Understood what I am doing here? You do in your copy. Next line. Then take common 900. That is 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 20 is equal to 60. This implies 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 20 is equal to 16 by 900. Right? After that, this implies simplify x into x plus 20. That means x plus 20 minus x is equal to 16 by 900. X cancel. That means 20 by x into x plus 20. This equals to simplify. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 20. Okay. That means you are getting 4 by 225. This implies divide both sides by 4. This is equal to 1 by 2 to 5. Understood? Now come here. Such types of equation you have to solve carefully. Okay. Now x into x, that is x square plus 20x is equal to multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 2s are 10, 12, carry 1. Okay, this one. Okay. This implies x square plus 20x minus 1125 is equal to 0. Okay, you will solve this one also. Only you have to solve by middle term method. Okay, the students who can come up to this step, that means complete. Now you have to solve by middle term method. You have to find the value of x. X means what? Number of persons. It cannot be negative. One negative value can come, no problem. Okay, but you will take the positive one because number of person cannot be negative. Understood? So we will complete. See, next one. Some students planned a picnic. The budget for the food was 2,400. As 8 of them failed to, oh, it is same as just now. Just it's problem number 8 that I have done now. Okay, you will form the equation and you will solve. Okay, the same problem. Same problem. Form the equation and you will solve. Okay, you know the middle term method, how to solve. Oh, this part we finished, that is problems on numbers. The category problems on numbers, it was the first category in my list here. I completed, and there are many problems, lot of problems. You have to practice on numbers. Okay, any problems? If you face problem, of course you can ask me. Okay, I'll try. And the next category is what? Time and distance. On time and distance, what is the first problem? This is the problem on time and distance. First you read and let me few seconds. in erasing the board. You read the problem, then I read. Okay. By increasing the speed of a car by 10 km per hour. Increasing the speed, that means, do you know the original speed? No. The time of journey of 72 km, 72 kilometer journey. Okay, 72 kilometer. Length is 72 kilometer is reduced by 36 minutes. Find the original speed of the car. So let us assume the original speed of the car is what? X kilometer per hour. This is the original speed of the car. Understood? The original speed of the car is x kilometer per hour and the distance 72 kilometer after covered by x kilometer speed per hour. This is the normal speed of the car. Okay. Now, time is increased. Okay. The first thing, at the speed, normal speed, x kilometer per hour, to cover this 72 kilometer distance, how much time the car will take? How much time the car will take? How much time? A formula S is equal to Vt. S means distance, V means speed, T means time. Okay. So if the car take T1 time, T1 means S is distance, 72 by V means speed. This is the first case. T1 time, the car can travel the 72 kilometer in T1 time. Say, we don't know the time, right? The second case, the speed is increased by 10 kilometer. In the second case, that is T2. What will be the time to cover the 72 kilometer? Speed is increased by 10 kilometer, isn't it? By say 10 kilometer. So x plus 10. This is the time taken by the car for high speed. Oh, okay. So which time is greater and which time is lesser? Of course, this time T2 is lesser than T1, is not it? It is as well speed, it is the increased speed. Increased speed, it is more. So T2 will be what? Time will be degree. What is that? 36 minutes less. See in the problem, 36 minutes reduced by 36 minutes. Reduced means less. Okay, 36 minutes. So T1 minus T2 is equal to 36 minutes. That means hour. Understood? Can you write this one? T1 as usual time, T2 by increased speed. T2 is lesser, so you can subtract from T1, it will return you positive. Now this implies T1 is equal to what? Why I divided 60 minutes, 36 minutes, that is hour, into convert into hour. Our all calculation in hour, isn't it? Speed. So T1 72 by x minus T2 72 by x plus 10 is equal to 36 by 60. Yes. Now you have to simplify this equation. Divide by 36 on both sides. That is 2 by x minus 2 by x plus 10 is equal to 1 by 60. Understood? I am here. Take common 2, that is 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 10 is equal to 1 by 120. Understood? Dividing both sides by 2. This implies, take LCM, x into x plus 10, x plus 10 minus x is equal to 1 by 120. Right? X cancelled. This implies 10 by x square plus 10x equals to 1 by 120. Okay, what to do? X square plus 10x equal to 1200. This implies x square plus 10x minus 1200 equal to 0. You have to solve this one. X square plus 10x minus 1200 is understood. And solve and tell me the answer. Which are the next one? I'm seeing, let me see. Oh, these are the only two problems more. Okay, number 10. Yes, solve. On the factors. How will you bring 10? 1200. Can you write this equal to 30 into 40? See, yes, 30 into 40. 40 minus 30, 10. Understood? This implies x square plus 40 minus 30, 0. This implies x square plus 40x minus 30x minus 0. This implies x into x plus 40 minus take common 30 x plus 40 equal to 0. Okay. So either x plus 40 or x minus 30 equal to 0. Either x equal to minus 40 or x equal to 30. So speed cannot be negative. So this is not acceptable. So what is the answer? X equal to 30. That is speed is 30 kilometer per hour. It was the original speed. 30 kilometer. Yes. Yes, Onorupa, 30 kilometer per hour. Very good. 30 kilometer per hour. Next one. a plane left 30 minutes later than the scheduled time, and in order to reach the destination 1500 kilometers away in time, it had to increase its speed by 250 kilometers per hour from the usual speed. Find the usual speed. Find the usual speed. Okay, this is an interesting problem. Oh no, do it. The concept is same. The concept is same. Okay, that is, with respect to time, we have to form the equation with respect to time. Okay, but to find usual speed, right? What to find usual speed? Okay, let me to read again. What's the distance? 1500 kilometers. 1500 kilometers. Okay, first to draw and let the usual speed x kilometer per hour. Usual speed as usual speed. That is normal speed. Okay, it will take say time t1. Understood? To cover this distance by the usual speed x kilometer per hour time t1, that is understood. This is the time t1. Distance v into t. Now it is late 30 minutes, is not it? 30 minutes late. So the plane increases speed 250 kilometer per hour. Same distance 250 kilometer per hour, increased speed. Okay, so of course t2 is lesser than t1, right? So t1 minus t2 is equal to what? 30 minutes hour. Understood? Divided by 60. It was lesser late by 30 minutes. To cover the 30 minutes, he increased the speed by 250 kilometer per hour. Understood? This is the equation. Same, I will not do, you will complete. Same as before. T1 means which one? 50, 100 by x minus T2, 1500 by x plus 250 is equal to 1 by 2. Understood? 1 by 2. Right. Divide both sides by 1500. That is 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 250 is equal to what? Understood? 3000. Now same as before. Simplify x plus 250 x plus 250 minus x is equal to 1 by 3000. This implies x cancel, 250 by x into x plus 250 is equal to 1 by 3000. Okay. So x square plus 250x is equal to Is it? This implies x square plus 250x minus 750 is equal to 0. Understood? Now, you have to bring 250. That is, you have to factorize this one. How will you factorize this one? To bring 250? See, it is clear, the factorization. Follow the trick. That means 75000. You can write 750 into 1000. Is not it? 1000 minus 750 is equal to 250. Getting? Is not it? See, 250 means 1000 minus 750 x minus 75000 is equal to 0. Understood? This implies x square plus 1000 x minus 750 x minus 0000 is equal to 0. Okay, take common x plus 1000 minus 750 x minus 1000 equal to 0. Either x plus 1000 x minus 750 equal to 0. Now from here, this will return you what? Negative, isn't it? That is, either x equal to minus 1000 or x equal to 750. 750 will return you positive. So this is acceptable, this is not acceptable. So 750, yes or no? Correct. 750 kilometer per hour. Understood? 750 kilometer per hour. The flight will fly in this speed. 750 kilometer per hour is the usual speed, but he increased. It is the usual speed. See, sitting in the inside of the flight, the traveler can't feel it, but it is very dangerous. See, it is the normal speed 750 kilometer per hour, but he increased speed 250. That means 1000 kilometer per hour. The flight was traveled. The flight was traveling, isn't it? It is not so normal. It is very dangerous. Anytime the flight may be crashed. Okay. Now, what is the next one? What is the last problem? A train covers a distance of 780 km at x km per hour. Had the speed been x minus 5 km, okay, x minus 5 km, what does it mean? It is already given in the problem. Right? X minus 5 km means the train reduced the speed 5 km per hour. That means time will take more in the second case from the as usual speed. Okay, time will take more. Understood? X minus 5 km per hour, the second case. The time take to cover the same distance would have been increased. Yes, more, 1 hour increased. It is already given in hour. Write down the equation. Okay, you will do it. It is for your homework. It is for your homework. Okay, right? The last one, the same problem. All are same procedure. Before starting the problem, what you will do? You will read the story, the given statement carefully. Understood? Then you will try to assume the unknown. That is, you first have to detect what to find. Assume by the unknown, find out by algebraic numbers x, y, z, whatever be. Then you will picture structure into quadratic form. Then you will structure the story of the given whatever be the uh, into quadratic form, quadratic equation. Then you will solve. And negative value you will always try to avoid. In quadratic equation, always you will get two values. Okay, and negative part always you will try to avoid. Understood? Okay. So two category already you finished. Two category means what? Problems on numbers and times and distance. In the next session, we'll start with the category upstream and downstream. Important one. Upstream, downstream, and edges. We'll try to finish two category at least, upstream downstream problem on the river, okay, and the problems related with edge. Understood? So up to this today. Thank you. Good night.